Hello again and happy Easter. This is Renee with Mommy for 5 Griffins, and I'm coming at you today with a cleaning video. This is a Easter deep clean. It actually took me about 2 days to put this sucker together, but we're getting ready for family to come, and all of my kids and grandkids and my mom and my stepdad will be here for Easter dinner, so I want the house to look really nice. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're doing some cleaning motivation, and I hope this will get you into the mood to get your house in tip-top order for the holidays. Here we go. When I'm wearing different clothes. Yeah, it's the second day. I had to take my vacuum cleaner apart and clean the filters and service it, and oh my goodness, it was such a mess. But thank goodness I had a spare filter, and got it back together real quick so I can finish my video. If you've seen in earlier videos, I got these chair covers to cover up these ugly chairs that I've had forever that just don't match and are kind of falling apart, but they're still, so the frames will last a very long time. So what I do is I put a cushion on the bottom and I cover it with a chair cushion, and thank goodness these cushions are washable, because my grandkids really do a deal on them, and my youngest son as well. He's always dropping stuff on them. So I'm going to take them all downstairs, pop them in the washer, and I will put them back on when they're dry. I'm glad you can't hear all the dirt and my son was actually eating peanuts the other day and there was peanuts all over my carpet. So yeah, there was little popping noises every time I went towards the couch. It was awful. And of course, I didn't empty my dishwasher last night. So yes, you see my evidence. I need to clean out the dishwasher so that I can reload it. And I love having a dishwasher, and sometimes I forget. I've only had it a very short while, so I'm still getting used to it. But I will remember to unload it every morning so that I don't have to deal with it in the afternoon. I really hope this gives you a cleaning motivation to get your home nice and tidy for the holidays. And by the way, everyone have a wonderful Easter. It's a very important holiday, and just remember it's not about the Easter bunny. It's about someone else. Now I'm just getting ready to close up my dishwasher and get that started. These drink mixes are so wonderful. The sugar-free, less than 10 calories each, and they come in a variety of flavors. I'm not sponsored by them, but I love them. They are so wonderful. I grab my water and I put in a little packet and I'm ready to go. I actually got these from Walmart, and Walmart has a really good variety. They're $1 for a 10-pack. But of course you can find them at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm kind of embarrassed to show you the baseboards. I went around all the house and did the baseboards and the heating vents and so forth. And you can see the dust coming off of them. It's just horrible. And I even got the cracks on the floor, around the wall. It just looks like I never dust. I really do, but I live in a very old house, so it gets dusty pretty quickly. entryway, and of course, as with most entryways, this is our dumping ground. My son's book bags, clothes, shoes, anything that comes in the house gets dumped all in this one spot. So that's what I had to clean. Now, as I'm editing this video, I see that, oh my goodness, I was jumping around. Now, this is now day 2. And while I'm cleaning and mopping and everything else, I have sweet potatoes, eggs. I have all that on the stove cooking. So I'm getting ready to put together some potato salad, get my sweet potatoes ready for sweet potato casserole tomorrow. And of course, I'm thawing out the turkey and ham. That way I can pop those in the oven. Now, I have a huge family. So, I have 5 kids and 7 grandkids. So, of course, my kids have significant others and everything else. So, we usually have a house full. We usually have a pretty good house full for the holidays. And there you see my husband and my son coming in the house. They're upstairs cleaning up the bathrooms, and my son is straightening up his bedroom. So they're in and out as well. My husband and my son were a great help today. I think I showed you my broom that I broke when I was sweeping this entryway floor. And thank goodness I have brooms all over the place. So I even carry 2 brooms in my trunk. So make a trip out to the trunk, bring in a broom, good to go. Second to youngest son, Trayson, making a visit home, and he has to work tomorrow, so he will get to dinner late. Much love to my baby boy Trayson, but I will be able to see him tomorrow. He's 24, so he doesn't live at home. He lives on his own, and I always love when he comes home to visit. Sometimes he comes home for lunch. He's just a wonderful son. And by the way, I have 4 of them, so they keep me busy, and they're all wonderful. And I hope you guys had a wonderful evening today, and have a wonderful, wonderful Easter. I hope everything goes as you planned. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Have a great holiday.